All right, guys, moment of truth, here we go. 207.2.
It is July 1. I did not hit my goal of 200, but 207.2 is not bad, you know what I mean? Especially considering 7 months ago, not even 7 months ago, I was at 260. I made the goal, I worked hard toward the goal, and we got really, really close. And so the good news is I'm not giving up, like I'm going to keep going. I'm not as disappointed as I thought I would be. This is honestly, last week whenever I made that video, I was like, man, there's no way I'm going to hit 200. So I thought maybe I'd hit like 215 or something like that, 212, 213, 211. So to hit 207, it's, pretty awesome. So I just finished my workout this morning. I figure you guys are probably like, okay, we get it, you work out. And so I decided to not film the workout today. But, it is a pretty big day because the other thing with July 1 is that my book manuscript is due. So I've got a lot of cool stuff happening today. Gonna take the girls, Amanda's gonna take the girls shopping. So they're actually in my bathroom all getting ready right now. So I'm gonna be getting ready in here in this bathroom and all that kind of stuff like that. And then we're gonna go ahead in. And then I'm meeting up with a buddy, and then I'm meeting up with some of my co-workers at Compassion International, where I do some work for them to just help with child advocacy and things like that. And so, it's gonna be a pretty awesome day, and I'm excited. So, I didn't hit 200, but I hit 207, and I'm pretty sure I'll probably hit 200 in July. So I'm going to keep going. We'll keep you guys posted on that. Where are you at with your goals right now? What are you doing to hit those goals? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing, how we can be helping you, how we can be cheering you on. That is the thing I love about our comment section here on this channel and on the Miller Fam's channel, is that it's just so positive, so encouraging, so uplifting, and so we're here for each other. I love this little community that we're building here. So let me know what you're going after. Let me know how we can support you. If you're not already liked and subscribed to this channel and to this video, please go ahead and do that. It just helps me continue to make videos like this and things like that, and tell our story and tell our journey and all that kind of thing like that. So I'm going to go and get ready. Kind of like a shake weight. Guys, I used to joke about the fact that my get ready with me routine just kind of looked like this, Okay, I'm good. And now I'm 38, and other than having to do the normal stuff like shave, pluck my eyebrows, things like that I've sort of always had to do, I've never really had to wash my face until recently. And so I just want to say a huge thank you to Curology for sponsoring this video, because I started using Curology back in like maybe April or something like that, right around the time I turned 38. I was like, you know what? I may be in my late 30s now, but that doesn't mean I have to start going downhill from here, right? Why couldn't you be, have better looking skin than you did in your early 30s or even 20s or even your teens? Although, I've never really had acne or anything like that, but I am seeing a lot of lines and wrinkles and things like that. Some of that is because I smile all the time and I'm always laughing. I like to smile. Smiling is my favorite. So I do that, and as a result, I kind of have this brow line and some wrinkles here, some wrinkles here. I think they call those crow's feet or something like that. And so as I get older, I'm like, I should probably start taking care of my skin. So that was one of my sort of resolutions when I turned 38, was that I wanted to really start taking care care of my skin. And so I actually started doing Curology, and it's a really cool sort of subscription type service. You go onto their website, you check them out, you can kind of fill out a questionnaire. It tells them your age, it tells them your skin type, it tells you all kinds of stuff about you so that they can specially design a formula just for you. So we've got the cleanser here, we've got the moisturizer there, and then at night, so this goes on in the morning, this goes on at night. It's this actual like medication that goes onto my face after I wash my face at night. I'm starting to notice that my skin is really looking a lot clearer and a lot healthier. And so even in my late, and you may call this pride, you may call this being arrogant, you may call this being narcissistic. I don't know what you think that is for you know, but I think most people want to look their best, and certainly I think the older we get, the more we want to try to put our best foot forward. And so that's where I'm at right now. And so I'm just going to do this, and then I'm just going to blow dry my hair and get out of here because I'm kind of running late for the appointment, and the ladies have taken over my bathroom. So so here we go. Super easy. You just put a little bit in your hand like that. Wash your face. I mean, this is like 101, but I've never had to wash my face. So I had to like learn how to do this. All I used to do is like put it in the shower and like let the water roll over it. But especially as I've been working out a lot more lately, I'm needing to get rid of all that extra, you know, junk that's on my face. And now, because it's the morning time, and I'll do this one tonight, but I put on this moisturizer right here, which is just a sweet little pump. You can kind of see this guy right there, it's just a little pump. And I'm just gonna put a little bit right there on my finger, like that, like so, like that. And, you know, just apply. And I've seen my wrinkles and my lines really decrease, even just in the last, you know, 2.5 months from being able to do this consistently. I do it every morning, every night. I'm one of those guys who's like uber skeptical about everything because I think everyone's trying to sell me something. But man, I'm actually a believer in this, like for real. So if you're curious if Curology would work for you as it has for me, just check out the link in my description box down below. You're gonna get your first bottle for free. All you gotta do is pay like $4.95 with shipping and handling. I couldn't recommend it more. I'm loving it. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it as well. So now, all I gotta do is put a little clay in my hair, blow dry my hair. I've been told recently that I was doing it in the wrong order by my new hair guy. He was like, you know, you should put the clay in before you blow dry your hair, and that would help your hair. My hair is like crazy. I have like 1,000 cowlicks, so I'm supposedly supposed to put this stuff in first, so, and then blow dry. I never used to blow dry my hair either, but it's supposedly really good for me to kind of tame the mane, as it were. So I'm going to turn down the volume now, so you don't get blown away. Ta-da! And I'm going to meet with my boss and with buddies, so I want to make sure I spray out a little of my favorite fragrance. There we go. So I'm definitely running late now. Amanda is headed to a dental appointment, so she's gonna drop me off at like my favorite coffee shop in the greater Nashville area. I'm meeting a buddy there, meeting some coworkers there, and then she's gonna do her dental work today, kind of a big deal, and then take the girls shopping while I finish up my book and send it off to the publisher. Little food vloggers. I love it.
I love yours. She's like,
yeah.
this is all she would do. I like that.
You ladies want to sit right here, just hang out, and then I'm going to hang out over here with my bro Abraham Lincoln and Philip Conjolier, who can't hear me because his headphones are in. Hey, what's up, bro? Guys, I just finished my book, just turned it in, sent it into my publisher, finished the manuscript. Now the editing begins, but this first part of this whole process has been a bit of a beast over the last 2 months, and it is done. So now starts the fun part of all the editing, making it happen, and I cannot wait. And then we release it in a year. Wow.
My name is Alice.
Alice.
I drink a potion I wasn't supposed to.
Hilarious. I think it fits just right. That's so funny. Let's go see Mom. Alright.
Intruder. We back.
And we back, and we back, and we back. Ah, ah. Hello, lovely lady. Oh no.
Did you feel anything?
You feel okay?
It feels weird, right?
It
It feels weird, right? Like, it feels just like,
I'm so hungry.
I know, me too, because we didn't eat. We were gonna eat, and then we just kept talking and talking and talking.
I need like a
wait,
We need to go get you a smoothie. You guys want to go get smoothies?
Just so you know, first thing, when you can't feel anything, like when you eating something, you like drip
Drool
off.
it all
You
over the
don't even
place.
feel it. You
Oh
don't even know.
no.
I keep like,
That was the worst.
Drooling all over yourself. Let me. Do you want me to drive?
yeah.
Okay, I'll drive you to get a smoothie. How about that? You look gorgeous, though.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can't even talk to that. You're trying like, yeah,
Thank you. I'm gonna do a wheatgrass shot and a ginger shot. So here we go. YouTubers?
Yeah.
Do y'all like make YouTube videos?
No.
And Instagram content?
No.
And all kinds of great
Okay.
things?
We're paid. We're paid professionals. What?
I'm-
Paid actors. How you spell
What's your
that?
channel called?
What's
Penny
channel
Miller?
mean?
Okay, ready, girls?
Ready?
Get the shot.
Got it.
Anything for the shot.
It doesn't go.
Why don't you just
Get
stand
that.
by side?
Get that cheers.
Okay, ready? So I am too far.
Somehow Amanda's arms are like the longest arms ever when it comes to taking photos. It's amazing.
Okay, ready?
Look at that.
Get in there. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, ladies.
Yay! We're gonna
Are
go.
we ready to go to the mall? Let's
Yes.
go to
Let's
the
go.
mall. Okay, so I'm not going to take my camera into the mall, so I'm just going to go and say goodbye. Adios.
Yeah.
Auf Wiedersehen. What are the other words?
If you want to see what
Zaijian. What are the other words to say goodbye? Anyway, you guys get the
revoir.
point. We're saying au revoir. That's a good one. There we go. Anyway, we love you guys, and I will see you next time. here on Stephen Miller's Dad Time channel.
If you're really interested in what happens at the mall, watch my channel.
Yeah, they're going to vlog about the mall. I'm not going to take this big fat honking camera in there because they get embarrassed. But that's okay. Anyway, so, we'll see you next time.
Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me